Imagine this, AI isn't just taking jobs, it's creating millionaires. Across the globe, individuals are using powerful AI tools to generate massive income streams. For example, there are entrepreneurs running automated businesses that earn over $50,000 per month without requiring them to work around the clock. These tools work while you sleep, automating processes such as customer service, content creation, and even complex data analysis. One real-life example comes from a small business owner who integrated AI into his operations. By using a combination of chatbots, predictive analytics, and automated email systems, he transformed his customer outreach and support. Within a few months, his revenue skyrocketed, proving that with the right AI tools, you can build a profitable business with minimal ongoing effort. These success stories show that the secret to making money with AI is not in working harder, but in working smarter. By leveraging AI tools, you can automate routine tasks, improve efficiency, and create new revenue streams that work for you 24/7. This is your opportunity to join the ranks of those who are printing money with AI. But remember, this isn't about spending a fortune. Many of these tools are affordable and accessible, and they are designed to be simple enough for anyone to use. The key is to learn how to set them up properly and to use them consistently to drive revenue. As you see these examples, ask yourself, how can you integrate AI tools into your own business or side hustle to start earning while you sleep?